Good morning. Good morning. I'm looking at this one. It is a top percent gainer. I'm trying something radically different. It is a low float. It does have volume on the day and it's a top percent gainer and it's green on the day. It kind of doesn't make sense. It's against everything that I do in a sense or the plans that I came up with. Um, the only thing that I like is, well, two things. No news on the day. Um, It is in the medical devices and instruments. And I like this kind of resistance area in the 550s. Um, which it's kind of staying at 558. Like it touches here, 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 breaks down, bumps its head. So it's almost like a gap fill type of thing. So I like that. And I gave it a shot. I talked about wanting to attack spikes, right? But I did things in the morning, and this is when I'm coming to the market to see if there's any opportunities. I do like this as an entry. I do like this as an entry, risking this. Yes, I'm kind of on the low of the range. The reason why I gave it a shot was because I saw that this support level was breaking down and it was under VWAP. So I was like, okay, we have some ways to fall. Um, But then right away it reversed. So this was a 10-cent loss on 100 shares. That's $10. And it was 14.50 for the shares to short. And it started just totally reversing. Um, and I'm looking for that point where it spikes and I can get in on that next red candle. Like maybe if it bumps its head, it's really the resistance on the daily chart is somewhere around the 50s area. Like, really, it's this line. So, right now, it's kind of above, it's squeezing shorts that all think it's crap because of the daily chart. Um, and it's not a breakout on the 6 months. Like, it's sitting under resistance. The thing is, it's a low float. Low floats are dangerous. So, like right here, it also bumps into resistance at 630 over here. Oh my God, I gotta sneeze. Bless me, thank me. Sneezing feels so good, right? Hold on a second. Let me iron out my lines. So I like it bumping its head here, touching support here. So, and then it bumped its head again. So what level was this? 630. Really, 645 is kind of what I like. It's like more evened out. 645. Let's even see what Oracle has to say. Is this on Oracle? RMED? No. Okay. So it's having a first green day. I like this area, 570. Okay. Oh God. I feel like I'm always like missing the train. Like this is so quick from 570 to 530. But some other ones that I looked at were like, okay, this one's not ready. This one's cooking. IHT. This one I thought was interesting. This was from yesterday. First green day, having a red day. Um, I saw this huge spike. It's another low float. And it did have a beautiful move from 21 to 17. Like if I could just get in at this end of the spike in the red candle, that's a beautiful move. Um, let's see what's going on with this one. This one's having a red day. Um, had this huge, like, nonsensical spike into the end of the day. I guess it was on earnings, but this was yesterday, so maybe it's delayed earnings. This was another one that I liked. Huge spike to 750, from 750 down to 648. That's $1.30. This is another one that had a first green day and a red flop. Well, it now turned green, but what did we have? I guess they had news today, so this one is a no play. But usually it's a failed spiker, so I'm keeping it on my watch list. This one, um, let's see. This one's still having green days, so I'm just waiting for a crash on this one. This one, I don't like this. What else? I think that was really it. Those were the only kind of plays that I saw. So this is like a short fake out type of thing. I don't want to wrestle with a stock. I'm just looking for drop, like more drop, like trying to get in at something that's peaking instead of falling to the floor and I'm already on the floor, if you get what I mean. This looks like it's totally squeezing everybody because when you cover your short, you're also buying, so that pushes up the buying pressure. I would say 603 is like an interesting level, like a bump here, lower, you know. So this is the thing with spikes. Okay, so if I get in here in the 578s, like that's a thing. Like it's red 1 minute and then it's green the next. Like, and now this is above VWAP, but I have to learn how to take stabs at things that don't make sense. But it's really hard. Like on the daily chart, this is not bullish, but on the intraday, it is because it's a low float with volume. But on the other side, we've got no news and we've got a bearish daily. So it's kind of like a conflicting chart. Very important to have risk management in these type of situations. This was beautiful that I got out within 10 cents. That's my usual thing. And I'm playing smaller size, so that's just 100 shares. This is really the key level that I'm looking for is what will it do in the $6 range? Is it going to break out or is it going to fail? We're 10 cents away from that area. I'm guessing it's going to break out because there's some force behind this thing. And it pulled up right to 611. So now the next, okay, so let's say as a short seller, right, I get in at 605, I'm risking 621 because this is a peak now. I just think this is too bullish of a thing right now for that example to work in a sense. Like I would need that to be red on the day. So it just totally broke out from the day's high. This is squeezing everybody. Next resistance point is going to be 640, 641, I would say, based on these guys. But look, it's gone from 530 to 640. Isn't it time for a pullback? You know? I don't know. I'm afraid of spikes. I really am. I guess it would need to sit under 621. Like maybe I could ride it from 621 down to 555. Is that possible? I'm going to give it a try.